Hey, if you want to add or remove home screen folders for applications on the POCO M6 Pro, let's start, for example, from removing folder. So I'm gonna get rid of this one. We have to click and hold it and then drag to this icon under our camera. When you do this, it will actually disappear, but you don't have to worry. You didn't delete actually these apps. You can find them still in the app drawer. If you want to create folders, so for example, you want to organize your home screen, you will have to click and hold on one of the icon and then move it for another icon. Now the folder was created. You can add here multiple apps and move it wherever you want by clicking and holding. Now when you open this folder, you can customize it by clicking on the name and change it. You can also turn on or off the today's recommendations. They will appear just right here. So as you can see, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.